Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we have a 14-inch laptop to unbox. It is an HP. Specific model number is 14-DK1025WM. It has a 14-inch HD LED display, 220 nits, nothing fancy. It has Ryzen 3, 4GB of RAM, a 1TB 5400 RPM hard drive. So it does come with Windows 10 Home Edition pre-installed. And the charger here looks like a 45-watt charger. And as you can see, I did get it from Walmart. And here is our setup instructions. Let's take a look at the laptop. I do like the color silver. Looks pretty clean. So let's see if we can open it up with one hand. Looks like we need two hands for this laptop. And just a heads up everybody, this laptop does not come with a backlit keyboard. And on the left side, you're going to see a security slot, a USB-C port, and an SD card slot. On our right side, you're going to see a headphone jack, two USB ports, supposed to be super speed, HDMI port, an RJ45, and a charging port. And the boot up time, I'm going to have to fast forward for the boot up time test because it took a while. I'm assuming it's because of the 5400 RPM hard drive, but it basically took about 2 minutes and 10 seconds to boot up. Webcam wise, you are looking at 720p at 30 FPS. So let me show you the photo quality of the webcam as well. It is a 0.9 megapixel at 1280 by 720. So let's do a 4K TV output test. So I plugged it into my budget TV. It's about a 40-incher. And what's great is that it does show up as a full screen, and you can even adjust it so that it becomes 3840 by 2160. So I'm pretty happy with it. Weight wise, it is about 1.5 kilograms. Measurement wise, length wise, we are looking at about 32.5 centimeters. And width wise, we are looking at about 22.5 centimeters. So let's see, thickness wise, it is about 1.75 centimeters. And I do like the speaker placement on this laptop. So let's do a sound test. Mic test, A B C D E F G, A B C D E F G, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Mic test, A B C D E F G, A B C D E F G, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Mic test, A B C D E F G, A B C D E F G, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, so now onto the pre-installed software. You're gonna see McAfee LifeSafe. I did see a ExpressVPN, so that was pre-installed. I did see a Dropbox promo. And let me show you the control panel programs and features so that you can see. So I don't know what Wild Tangent Games is, but that was pre-installed as well. The Microsoft Office, keep in mind that's only a trial version. And for the CPU, it is a base speed of 2.10 gigahertz. So it does have Vega 6 graphics, and it does have the 932 gigabytes capacity for the hard drive. And here's the read and write speed of the current hard drive. So not too fast. 4 gigabytes of RAM at 2400 megahertz is currently installed. Bluetooth, you're looking at Bluetooth 4.2 adapter, a Realtek. So the camera is actually a HP True Vision HD camera. And native resolution of this of the screen is 1366 by 768. Network adapter, it is right here. And then, oh yeah, for the battery, it is a 3-cell 41 watt hour Li-ion battery. And that is pretty much it. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you everybody for watching. Take it easy.